Hey traders, welcome to the day trading recap for June 5th, 2023. Let's take a look at what we did today on the day trade ideas. A couple different things. A little bit of a choppier day. Range was a little bit tighter, but overall it was good stuff. So Tesla long, 3 points there. Top long, 2.5 points. PNW long, 2 points. Snow long, 1 point. CXAI long, 1 point on that idea. Whoops, I can't pull it up. There you go. And then that UNH, we had a nice long there for 1 point. We also had an EPAM short for about like 90 cents. Pretty interesting on the equity side. A little bit choppier. We tried a couple things that didn't work. Airbnb was one of them at the end of the day there. Didn't work. We had ANET long for about 90 cents. That wasn't a bad idea. Not bad. Right to the 50 MA. And then I'm trying to find, there was one more. Oh, it's PPSI, which is one I would say watch for tomorrow, guys. A little bit light. Didn't work because I ended up being 12 cent loss, but that range break to the upside, looking at that one for tomorrow, maybe get some continuation through that level of resistance. So overall, equity not bad, pretty decent hit rate. Options a little bit choppier. Best one of the day was definitely Google. Google, the 130 calls we had for 116% right out the gate. Beth also had Google, I believe it was the 135s for 160%. She had Starbucks for 95%. And then I did a lot of SPX trading today. SPX 42.90, 42.95 call spread out the gate. I ended up legging into that idea, turning into a credit, 3,200% on that idea. SPX 42.80 puts during the day there when we started to sell off. We ended up hedging, grabbing a hedge up there, and then we grabbed some puts, and then we ended up taking a nice pull. It was actually on that pull that it went up so much, 168%. The SPX 42.75 calls end of the day, 52% on those, and we scalped the SPX calls on bounces quite a bit today, like 38% there, 50% there, 40% there. Overall, it's a pretty high hit rate on the SPX. I think we had 2 trades that didn't work out about 9. And then the other options trades were a little bit lighter. Like we had some things that were 20%, 30%, but definitely a little bit choppier. Some failed trades I can talk about would be, we had one that Triple M didn't work. Shop was one that was basically didn't work. It's like 20%-ish, nothing really. We're overnighting a bunch of things, and yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Oh, Netflix was another one that didn't work. We tried the 430s and kind of just failed to go. It went up like 10%, but really, realistically, that's not, I wouldn't call that working on the option side for a weekly contract at least. Tried some DocU on a scalp. That was not bad. That one ended up being like 20-cent move. Little scalp there on that pull, and then we did the Zoom as well, and this was all just due to the volatility from the Apple conference. But anyways, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Should be an interesting day. Market's slightly extended to the upside still in the daily and the weekly, so I'll be watching potentially for a gap fill there, and yeah, continue to go from there, my friends. If you guys want to come trade with us, you can certainly do so. Go to spartantrading.com. You can sign up there. Some promos on my Twitter page pinned, and that's it. Thanks for watching, my friends. We'll talk to you later, and see you tomorrow.